Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to cancel your Autopod subscription. So guys, this is actually very easy. You can do, just follow these steps. So guys, in my case I have just free trial, as you can see here. My trial ends on 17 September 2024. And as you can see here, this is my details. So guys, first step you need to do, go to this official website Autopod and click on manage activate, and then scroll down. This is my subscription guys. As you can see here, I received this subscription manage on my email. And just guys, you can do is click this three dot, as you can see here, and click just on cancel, and click the cancel subscription on Autopod official website, as you can see here, and click cancel subscription. And done. I cancel my subscription successfully guys. And if you don't this guys page, you go to email from manage subscription here, and you will receive email. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful. See you on another video soon.